Hello dear children, welcome back to my talks. And yes, I welcome you all to this English question paper format, standard 11th. Yeah children, the format is changed, okay, by the board itself, okay, and this is 2020, 2021, 2021 question paper format. It's not forever, okay, and you must be very confused what sort of question paper. So for your half yearlies or for your annuals, the question paper format will be like this. So I thought to bring before you this question paper format. Okay children, so this is English question paper format, and do remember the question paper is divided into two parts, two sections, okay. One is this part A and part B. So two sections. We'll talk about part A first. So part A has got 40 marks. Part A has got 40 marks. Reading section, reading will be for 18 marks, okay. I'll use a different color pen. Yes, reading will be for 18 marks, 18 marks, that you note, okay. And here what, there will be a passage, a factual passage, okay, with MCQs, and 10 MCQs, 11 MCQs will be there, and you have to attempt only 10. You have to do only 10 out of 11 questions you have to attempt in MCQs, reading passage. That is the first passage. So you have 10 marks over there. Second, there will be a case-based passage, okay, means another passage, and there 9 questions will be there. So out of 9, you have to attempt any 8, okay. And here also you can see 1 marks, each question will carry 1 mark, so you have 8 marks over here as well. Now we come to this grammar section. Now grammar section, 10 questions will be there, and you have to attempt any 8. Okay, so questions will be of two types. They all will be MCQs first. Okay, so there will be MCQs on gap filling, that is based on complete determiners and tenses. Yes children, you must be very surprised why I have made the videos on tenses. Tenses again very important. They will be important over here in transformation sentence, transforming sentences, in reordering, everywhere it will be important. And tense, all the grammar portion, the leftover, the clauses, models, everything is slashed off your course, okay, it is deleted. Only determiners and tenses are left. So determiners and tenses you will have in lots, okay. So do watch the videos, be very careful. I've only done present tense, as I told you in my bio lectures also, okay, and I am going to post it, but then it all depends on your responses. If you are not interested, you do it, okay. So determiners and tenses, MCQs on gap filling, one, and the other one will be on reordering and transformation. Total 10 questions will be there, means 5 on this and 5 on this. And what you have to do is you have to do 8, means 4 questions from gap filling part based on determiners and tenses, and the other 4 from the second portion. So total 8 questions you have to do, and here also 8 into 1, that is 8 marks, 8 marks over here. Okay, then we come to the literature part A ka literature. Okay, so literature again, it has got 14 marks, and you can see it as it is. Okay, so what does it have? 4, 5 and 6. So literature is of 14 marks, and you see MCQs. Okay, तो MCQs रहेगा आपका poetries पे. Poetries from Hornbill, there will be MCQs, and 2 sort of poetries will be there. Comprehensive poetries will be there. Some few lines will be given and questions will be asked like that. Okay, so all MCQs questions will be there, and you have to attempt only 1. So out of 2, you have to attempt only 1. So 3 into 1, that is comes to this 3 marks. Okay, 3 into 1. Then the other one, there will be prose. Okay, all the stories, whatever, the fictions, all the stories, the proses. Okay, so there you will have 3 questions. 3 questions means maybe any 2 questions from Hornbill and 1 from Snapshot. Comprehensive. When it comes MCQs, you should understand very well. Lines will be given, questions will be asked. So anyway, that sort. Okay. So there will be 2 questions from any one book and 1 question from the other book. So total of 3 questions will be there, and you have to attempt only 2. So in that 2, you have to attempt 1 from Hornbill and 1 from Snapshot. Be very clear कि अगर आप Snapshot से नहीं करके और Hornbill से ही दोनों करेंगे तो you will lose marks over there. 3 marks तो you will lose. So 1 from each of the book you have to do. Question number 5 में. Okay, 3 questions will be there, and any 2 you have to attempt, 1 from each book. MCQs रहेगा 6 into 1. Total I have written 6 marks. And the last one, again, you will have the prose questions, all the poetries and the chapters and everything from both the books. Okay, poetries, prose from both the books you will have. Okay, MCQs will be there, and 5 questions, like 6 questions, total of 6 questions will be there. You have to answer any 5. So this will also be MCQs. Okay, Hornbill snapshot from both, and then it will be of 5 marks. Okay, so 5 into 1 is 5 marks, so it comes to total 40 marks. Next I come to the writing part. So children, here you have to be very careful and do stress on the grammar portions, determiners you know very well. Okay, and if you want me to make the videos, I will do that, but now I have started with the tenses. Okay, let's come to part B. Part B is also 40 marks. Yes, it comes to total 80 marks question paper. 20 you know very well, speaking skills and listening skills. Okay, 10 marks each. So here in part B, the very first question will be note making and summarizing. Yes, I have made a video on note making which you have not seen. Okay, so why I did that, you must understand very well. It's really very tricky and very tough according to the children. You lose marks over here, and this is for 8 marks. Okay, so for note making, I have completely explained how to do that. Okay, so note making is of total 5 marks and summary is of 3 marks. So total it comes to 8 marks. Got it? So first question will be note making. Then second question is related with writing section. Here you will have notice writing. So 2 questions will be based on notice writing. You have to do only 1. So 1 out of 2 notice writing you have to do. That is of 3 marks. And in the next question, third question, again 2 posters will be given. You have to attempt any one. So poster is there, and that is also of 3 marks. Then we come to letter writing, that is the fourth question. Okay, letter writing, here also there will be a choice. Okay, you have to do only 1, that is of 5 marks. And in composition, again there will be 2. Okay, speech and debate. Speech, you know, as we have been doing article writing, just like that. Okay, only in the very beginning you have to address the public. If it is there in the school, respected principal, or a very good morning to all, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends, I stand before you to speak upon the particular topic, whatever the topic is given, and then you go on writing. Okay, so it is like that. And debates, that tat wala chapter mein काफी सारे debates थे for the motion, against the motion, which I have already put. Okay, it's there on the channel, you can see it. So debate का format आपको वहाँ से मिल जाएगा, and whenever you get debates, you have to write for the motion as against the motion. Means एक paragraphs आपको लिखना होगा दोनों में. Debate है. So this is also, these are long compositions, you can say. Letter writing 5 marks and composition 5 marks. Okay, ये हुआ. Letter writing में letter to the editor is not there. Okay, letter to the school principal, all that letters are there. Letter to your brother, letter to your father, those sort of letters are there. But letter to the editors को बाहर निकाल दिया है. For this, to check what all is not there, okay, go to the deleted portion which I put on the channel. And then it comes to literature portion. Now literature here, 2 SAQs, short answer type questions you have to answer. यहाँ पे क्या होगा, आपको 4 questions दिए जाएंगे. Okay, ये short answer type question है. 2 from Hornbill and 2 from snapshot questions will be there. And what you have to do is, again you have to answer 1 question from snapshot and 1 from Hornbill. So each of the 2 will carry 2 marks. So 2 into 2, 4. 1 descriptive sort of question will be there. Okay, from any of the books. Okay, so there will be 2 questions, you have to answer only 1, that is 7th question, that is also 2 marks. And the other one, again we come to the long answer type questions. So you will get from snapshot, कोई भी आगे पीछे हो सकता है, Hornbill पहले, snapshot बाद में, कुछ भी. तो snapshot से 2 long answer type questions होंगे, जिसमें से एक करना है आपको. Okay, which is of 5 marks. And the last we come long answer type questions from Hornbill, उसमें से भी 2 questions रहेंगे, आपको एक करना है, that is for 5 marks. So this is the complete format. Okay, it depends कि half yearly में जितना portion cover हुआ है, that we are going to cover. Okay, literature में rest you will get everything. So completely depends on all the schools everywhere. And annual you will get, but the format will be the same. यही format रहेगा, and prepare according to this. Okay, so this is the format. Hope it will be useful for you, useful in your preparations. So do keep watching and inspiring me. Okay, and yes, thank you. Thank you for watching. All the best for your exams. Thank you.